Larson Electronics now manufactures radiator panels and corrugated fins in the United States for transformer and industrial cooling applications. Radiator panels and corrugated fins are commonly used in oil-filled distribution and power transformers, industrial heat exchange assemblies, OEM cooling systems, replacement radiator structures. Radiator panels and corrugated fins are produced using automated equipment engineered for dimensional consistency and repeatable weld integrity. Automation supports tighter production tolerances and consistent surface treatment preparation, contributing to long-term durability in demanding industrial environments. Larson Electronics supports specification-based manufacturing that aligns with customer drawings and engineering documentation. Custom parameters may include panel length and element count, fin pitch spacing, material type and thickness, surface treatment and coating requirements, prototype or production volume quantities. Larson Electronics is currently accepting quote requests for radiator panels and corrugated fins manufactured to customer specifications. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.